Hey Strong Warrior, happy Strong September, happy Barbara Jean Challenge. My name is Amy and this is another foam rolling session, this time focused on posterior muscle chain, backside of your lower body. So think like hips, glutes, hamstrings, calves. So go ahead and grab your roller and make your way down to the earth. So we're gonna start with glutes. So just grab that roller and have a seat. And then from here, you're gonna shift your weight a little more to one side. I like to cross one leg over the other so I can relax the side a little bit more. And then really gently start to roll. You can roll all the way down through that muscle and then roll up over your pelvis, but you don't wanna go into your low back. So you're gonna feel that bony area where you're really supported. Think about the ridge at the top of your pelvis. You don't wanna go above that. You can roll more towards the center, or you can start to shift a little bit more towards the outside. But just be gentle, be curious. If you find a spot that needs a little extra love, pause there. Maybe a little side to side rock, little circles, a little up and down. Take a couple more breaths here, and then we're going to shift over to the other side. If you want to spend some more time here, press pause. You can spend up to 15 minutes in one particular area. After that, it starts to become counterproductive, so you start to increase inflammation. So you want to stay at that 15-minute or less per area mark. And other side. So you're just shifting your weight to the other side, and take your time, seeing what is here. I find it also really helpful to keep my shoulder blades integrated here. That seems to help relieve any upper body stress. It's just kind of the maintaining the structure, maintaining the integrity in the body. Oops. And notice how things differ from side to side, and think about what you do with your body from side to side. Take a few more deep breaths here on this side. And then heading to hamstrings. So you can do them both together. That helps kind of distribute the pressure a little more, or you can do one at a time. You also have the option here, if lifting your hips up off the earth just doesn't feel good, isn't working, you can manually move the roller and then rock your legs side to side. And you can work on the other side. And whenever you're working your hamstrings, just like your glutes, you can work the inside or the outside because there are multiple muscles back here. So you can work a little more towards the outside, towards the middle, towards the inside. You do that just by rotating your leg, rotating your foot. And take a few more big breaths here, working into whatever feels good. And then onto calves, one of my most favorite things to foam roll. So again, you have the option to do both legs at the same time, or to do one at a time. You can also lift your hips up here. And you can also manually adjust your roller and rock side to side. And again, you can roll the outside, you can roll the center, you can roll more along the inside. Everything's gonna feel a little different. You've got two big calf muscles. The top one is your gastrocnemius muscle. The bottom one is the soleus. And if you're doing one side, go ahead and switch sides. Try out all the different options here, all the different sides here. You may find that one feels a little more focal than the other. job. A few more breaths here. Just working into those calf muscles. And if you want to go back and revisit any of these areas that we rolled, you are more than welcome to. But that is lower body, posterior muscle chains, a quick and simple foam rolling session. And listen, if you're ever early for class, at least for the Dunedin studio, I can't speak for Orlando, but if you're ever early to class in Dunedin, feel free to grab a foam roller and just do a little bit of foam rolling. It's a great way to connect with your muscles, to start to build that warmth in your muscles. So yeah, have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day. Bye.